In the shadow of the celebrated Apollo missions and the historic moon landing, there exist remarkable stories of early space explorations that remain largely untold. Today, we journey into the past to uncover forgotten space missions, stories of courage, ingenuity, and human spirit reaching beyond our earthly bounds. As the 1950s dawned, the world found itself amidst a tense Cold War. Yet, amidst the geopolitical rivalry, a thrilling race to conquer space ignited a new era of exploration. While Sputnik and Apollo are household names, let us voyage through some overlooked missions that paved the way for modern space exploration. Our first stop is 1964, with NASA's Ranger missions. Ranger 7 was the first successful American spacecraft to carry cameras close to the moon. Prior to it, 6 similar missions faced catastrophic failures. Ranger 7's images, however, were the first detailed close-ups of the lunar surface, essential in planning future landings. Yet, how many today recall this crucial step? Then there is Luna 2, a Soviet triumph in 1959. It was mankind's first craft to reach the moon, crashing into its surface and scattering metallic pennants carrying the hammer and sickle of the USSR. Luna 2's success marked the Soviet Union's dominance, albeit briefly, but was paramount in showcasing Earth's reach beyond our planet. Its memory, though, is often eclipsed by the grandeur of later missions. Another unsung hero, Pioneer 10, became the first spacecraft to travel through the asteroid belt and make a close approach to Jupiter in 1973. This mission opened our eyes to the outer planets, sending back unprecedented data and images that confirmed our theories and expanded our knowledge. Despite its groundbreaking achievements, Pioneer 10 is often overshadowed by its successors. Similarly, consider the Venera program launched by the Soviet Union. Throughout the 1960s and 70s, these missions gradually unveiled Venus, the planet cloaked in a veil of clouds. Venera 7 was the first to land on another planet and send data back to Earth. The harsh Venusian environment was unforgiving, yet those missions offered humanity its first true glimpse at Earth's enigmatic neighbor, though they seldom grace the pages of history books. What about Gemini 8, one of NASA's most critical yet lesser-known missions? Launched in 1966, it was designed as a test flight for future Apollo missions. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and David Scott faced a dangerous in-space emergency that nearly cost them their lives. A malfunction caused the craft to spin uncontrollably, but Armstrong's quick thinking stabilized it. This trial by fire helped refine the safety protocols for subsequent lunar endeavors. These missions, each fraught with challenges, successes, and insights, are often relegated to the footnotes of space exploration history. However, they were instrumental in building the foundations for the spacefaring prowess we now possess. In conclusion, as we look to the stars today, planning missions to Mars and beyond, it is essential to remember these early pioneers. They were the stepping stones that transformed dreams of space travel into reality. Their forgotten tales remind us of the tenacity and vision required to push beyond the limits of human experience. As we continue this journey, let us not forget the lessons and courage of those who first paved the way into the great unknown, ensuring that their stories remain alive and celebrated for generations to come.